How to set up the VMC app. First, download the app for Android or iOS devices by scanning the QR code. Open the app and tap on the VCam device you want to connect. On Android, a dialog will ask to connect to device. Tap Connect to confirm. On iOS, the VMC app will ask to join a temporary Wi-Fi network. Tap Join. You will also need to grant access permissions for location, microphone, local network, Bluetooth, and file storage. Now you're ready to use the VMC app. How to send a log. If you experience problems with VCam products or the VMC app, you can send a data log to our support team for help. Tap the product you're having issues with. Then, tap the gear icon to go to the Settings menu. Select the About tab. Under Support, tap on Send Logs. Then, select your email client. In the email body, include your preferred contact information, the VCam product you need support for, and your VMC app version and operating system. Send the email once complete. Our support team will contact you after reviewing your shared logs. How to install over-the-air updates. After connecting to your VCam device, a message will appear about a new update now available. Open the Settings menu and select Over-the-Air System Update. Tap Update Now and OK to continue. Allow the update to run. During this, the VCam Wi-Fi indicator will flash green. A dialog will appear when the update is complete. You will then need to restart the VMC app and reconnect to your VCam device. To confirm your firmware version, return to the Settings menu and tap About at the bottom. How to install updates by USB. On the Vivax-metrotech website, navigate to the Inspection Cameras page under Products, then click on the product to update. On the right side of the page, click Download. Under Firmware, click Download to obtain the update files. Save the update to a USB drive inserted into your computer. Once downloaded, unzip the folder by selecting Extract All. Open the unzipped folder and cut and paste the bin file outside of it. Now you can insert the USB drive in the device you want to update and open the VMC app. Connect the app to your device. A dialog will tell you that a new update is available. Open the Settings menu and tap on USB System Update. Then, tap on the name of the firmware release and press OK. Allow the update to run. During this, the VCam Wi-Fi indicator will flash green. Once complete, you will need to restart the app and reconnect to your device. To confirm your firmware version, return to the Settings menu and tap About at the bottom.